welcome to my channel. This is YAJI's channel. Happy New Year once again. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope the new year set up in the right way, okay? I wish you guys a prosperous new year. I wish you guys everything you wish yourself, okay? So today we're going to be making suya. Here I've got beef steak, because normally you're supposed to get a very thin beef, but I do not want to cut my hand, so I'm not cutting any meat. So I bought the steak. It's slim, not so slim. Normally in Nigeria it's super slim. They know how to cut it so slim, but I think this will work too. I already washed it. And of course the spices, we need some paprika, some granulated onion or powdered onion, some white pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, stock cube, I have here beef stock, salt, and of course the main ingredient, which is the Suya Spice. This one I got from my Malam guy in Allen Avenue, my friend that sells suya. So my mother brought it for me. And you're going to be needing your skewer. I'm already soaking my skewer in the water so it doesn't get burnt in the oven. You need to soak it like 10 minutes prior to making the suya. So already I measured out everything over here. All this that I mentioned, it's measured out. You don't really need measurement for it. Just eyeball it and then, you're good to go. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be coating I'll mix the whole spice and then I'm be coating the beef in the spice. You can put it in your skewer before you do that, but for me I like to coat it all in a pan and then I start transferring it into the suya, then into the oven. Okay, so let's do this. So we're ready to go into the oven right now. Right guys, the suya is ready. I have here 2 trays. So right now I'm gonna garnish with some tomato and onions and more suya spice. If you want it very spicy, this is the time you can add your dry chili pepper. If not, the suya spice is enough. I'm gonna get a newspaper just like they do it back in Nigeria. I'm gonna wrap it in the newspaper, put all the garnishing stuff, and we're good to go. So sometimes they do it like this. Sometimes some people want them to cut it. So you just go ahead, get it off the skewer. It's your choice. Right now I'm a bookie. That's what I am right now. They are very good with this. They are very, very good with this. So you just add some onions, tomatoes. If you want cabbage, you can also add cabbage. And you just go ahead and sprinkle more YAJI. This Suya Spice is called YAJI. Sprinkle on it. And it's time to wrap it. This is how they wrap it. And then they get another one. It's just exciting doing it. No, I think they go this way this time around. Yeah, they go this way this time around. And there you go. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me. I'm gonna go ahead and dish out the other suyas right now so we can have fun. Go ahead and make yours. I hope you enjoy it just like we enjoyed it. Thank you once again for watching. See you on the next video. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.